DJ, I wanna rap. I'm a blood clot DJ, I'm a shutter selector boy.
Very talented. You see me? One we just reacting to a while ago entitled what was that? Custom crazy. Flow crazy. Now come back with a new style with me like. I hope he keeps this shit up, man. You see me? But this one he dropped before Custom. The one named Purge. Yeah man, skipper Mozart. Yeah man, we need to do the skipper too. We're gonna get to that too. But yeah man. He dropped this one before Custom. 𝐵IGGS, the one named Purge, he dropped this before Custom. I'm just getting around to it, gang. Your boy been slacking. I ain't gonna lie to you. Your boy been slacking lately. But I'm back on the grind, back on the streams, back on the vids. Yeah man, so I reckon on the right. I know 48𝐂𝐂𝐂𝐂 requested this one. Who else requested this one? Who else requested this one? It was Rashawn and Davia Matthews. You see what I say? But yeah man, gang, we jump right into the track right now. 1BIGGS on Purge, let's get it, gang.
This is your emergency broadcast system announcing the commencement of the annual Purge sanctioned by the U.S. government. Weapons of Class 4 and lower have been authorized for use during the Purge. All other weapons are restricted.
Oh, Purge job yesterday. Okay. Custom job before that. Okay, alright.
Government officials of ranking 10 have been granted immunity from the Purge and shall not be harmed. Commencing at the siren, any and all crime.
How big that dude? That gonna go for the works. Eh? Come here.
Including murder, will be legal for 12 continuous hours.
I see how pop stars. Boy, $1 million in my pocket. They'll steal the line up on Bobby. They get a like me style of a 40s. Fuck you never cost a dime, call me a dark shit.
Fuck it, man. Hey, talk to them, 𝐵IGGS, go on.
And shall not be harmed. Commencing at the siren, any and all crime, including murder, will be legal for 12 continuous hours.
I see how pop stars. Boy, $1 million in my pocket. They'll steal the line up on Bobby. They get a like me style of a 40s. Fuck you never cost a dime, call me a
dark shit.
Shit, I'm not gonna lie, me love bad bitch. They'll break a rise up on top list. Shotty full of style, my guy, you can't copy. 30 girl a night for why come artist. Me not
what come your artist?
Me not go boast long time and a bra from a rich out, no no. Shotty full of cat dog, you know no war. Big Ben in a palm and I win off for sure. Mama didn't have for source, like I be my for roar.
Ooh, he's sliding on this one, I like it, come on.
Rim off for crow, my bitch off for know me wicked on my bowl. X just a ball on the jeep on the road.
Hey, I like this beat though.
Wicked flows, man did know. Yeah man, drop a GLE on the road. Cause boy drop Dutch beast on the crew. My girlfriend a monkey in the seat, if you know you
a monkey in the seat, if you know. Hey boy, come in.
Dutch beast on the crew. My girlfriend a monkey in the seat, if you know you ever white gold. My hype bro, than them we no wanna be a little show. Run fast with the cheese like a bolt. Tell your girl she and your
Dan we no want them be and them no, we don't want that girl you. Come in.
Eat if you know you ever white gold. My hype bro, than them we no wanna be a little show. Run fast with the cheese like a bolt. Tell your girl she and your me ice cream on the cone. You know go boss long.
And the corn yo. Yeah man, judge ice cream when you time melting. Hey go on.
Time
I don't say nothing easy.
Girl, she and me ice cream on the cone. Sorry, me nah go boast long time and a bra for me rich out no no. Shotty full of cat dog, you know no war. Big Ben in a palm and I win off for sure. Mama didn't have for source, like I be my for roar. And I rim off for crow, my bitch off for know me wicked on my bowl. X just a ball on the jeep on the road. I'm do that. And I'm on top of I put him in. First 10 mil, me at 18. Now the fuck
come in.
no, I chat no about me. I couldn't no about me. Bugger.
Is that only 18? What?
First
when in there yet?
I'm do that. And I'm on top of I put him in. First 10 mil, me at 18.
Oh, did I 18?
No about me. I couldn't no about me. Bugger. Fake friends surround me and authentic, but man go roll leave. Fuck a bag of girl, better know about.
Bugger fake friend round him and authentic, but him a go roll. Go on, man. Easy. 𝐵IGGS on alright.
Surround me and authentic, but man go roll leave. Fuck a bag of girl, better know about this. And the whole of them a cap, they don't know about reach. K-clips on the old fridge. Take
No about rich coming.
from my close crease. Bust down Jerry's at the Frosties. Custom K this, watch a talk fish. We get flows, man it know. Yeah man, drop a GLE on the road. Cause boy drop dirty piece on the crew. My girlfriend a monkey in the seat. If you know you're a white gold. My high bro, than them we no wanna be a little show. Run and run fast with the cheese like a bolt. I get
Stand, stop playing the big youth, you know. Stop playing the fat boy, you know. Hey.
she and me ice cream on the sermon, a sermon, a sermon. I'm say, but girl and me cocky never. You know it's style, man. I say all I GV, all I done them I say pop stars. Sermon.
Easy. Biggs done. Big up your damn self, you. Yo, man, talented, you know, dog. You don't know why they give man such a fight in his career, dog. And the dog the young, and he just get started. You see me, I say, the fight the dog get in his career, the dog ain't deserve that, man. For real, man. But I'm glad to see dog never make that bring him down. You see me, he's back with a new energy, a new style, well refreshed. Looking good, sounding good. You see me, I say, Biggs and big up yourself, dog. Keep doing your thing, gang. Yeah, man, it's a good look. Yeah, man, gang. If you like a show that all of our sport, make you know the dancing and also me know the favorite part, basics, melody, all that good stuff. You don't know what time it is. Yeah, man. Now dropping a request. DJ say, yo, pull up. Yeah, he slid on that shit, right? Which is right. Start up the good habits for the new year, my fam. For real. Yeah, man. Mad. When we fall back, we did I go do some reactions, yo. Yeah, man, me G. When I fall back, yo, Danger. When I fall back, we got podcasts and all type of shit to do. We got reaction, podcast, all type of shit to do. We got content there. So don't say a word, me G. Yeah. Alright. But yeah, man. Biggs done Purge. Yeah, man, that good. Danger wanted Skipper. Mozart. Oh, Young Forever say AI Millie float. I got y'all, man. We got bangers coming, man. We not playing. You see me how I say? Yeah, man. Got y'all, gang. Be a mad tune react tonight, man. We got a whole marathon going on. We got a whole marathon going on, gang. I got quite a lot of people requesting this one as well. You see me, I say Skipper Mozart. So like skip them stay on this shit, man. So this one we'll go check out next. You see me, I say so Skipper done a deal with. You see me, I say it's been a minute since we reacted to some Skip Bass. You see me? Skip Bass. Oh, I jump right in the track right now.
Me, I always tell the truth. Even when I lie.